I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja, and I'm honored to be a candidate for the position of president. Throughout my career, I have always been deeply committed to the welfare of my fellow doctors. And one of the key areas I plan to focus on as president is expanding the task force for doctors in difficulty. This task force was an initiative I helped establish during my tenure as General Secretary. And I firmly believe it plays a crucial role in supporting our colleagues who are facing professional or personal challenges. Whether it is managing work-related stress, dealing with personal crisis, or navigating complex professional challenges, doctors often find themselves in situations where additional support is vital and crucial. By expanding this task force, my goal is to ensure that no doctor is left to struggle alone. We will provide more accessible resources, personalized guidance, and a stronger network of support. This initiative will foster a sense of community, promote mental well-being, and ensure that our profession remains as compassionate towards its members as it is towards the patients we serve. Together, we can make sure that every doctor who is struggling knows that help is available and we are here to support them every step of the way. Thank you very much. Please support me in the upcoming election.